85 out at the airport. The clouds hung on a little longer in the city. It was 83 degrees there. Out there right now, it's still very warm and very muggy. If you're headed out for some evening exercise on the hike and bike trail down there, I would recommend maybe a sweat towel because it's humid. 83 is where we are right now in the city. Our evening planning forecast, look how warm it stays all the way to 10 o'clock, 76 degrees by 10 p.m. Out in the hill country, you folks have been warm today too. Upper 70s, low 80s right now. 81 degrees in Llano, 80 in Burnett, 82 up in Taylor and Round Rock and Pflugerville and Manor, 85 down in Buda, 83 in Bastrop. Giddings, you're at 82, a little warmer in LaGrange. In the city, again, officially 83. The airport's still 85 degrees. Skies are actually partly to mostly cloudy. No wind in the city right now. Winds at the airport are south-southeast at 9, and sunset is up to 6:50 tonight. Well, in the pollen count this time of year, we have a lot, usually 2 pages worth, and we do today. Mole high, grass medium, ragweed 69 medium, redberry juniper 30 is low, and we have fall elm at 28, and that is low as well. Around the state, 80s, looks like everywhere except for Laredo, coming in at 92 degrees at the present time. These low clouds we had in place this morning just hung on all day long. Just to the last hour, we've started seeing them break in some areas. They're still hanging on in the eastern parts of the hill country. Over the next couple of days, we'll continue to see this warm southerly flow off the Gulf keep us partly to mostly cloudy. Cloudy morning, some breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. By Thursday, notice how the whole state begins to cloud up, though. That's because a strong cold front will be moving into the northwest part of Texas by Thursday afternoon. When does it get here? We think by sunrise Friday morning, it will likely be blowing into or maybe already be through the Austin area with gusty north winds behind it. Much cooler weather. While we'll be in the 80s the next 2 days, I don't expect we'll get out of the 60s on Friday. And if the clouds don't break, we may not get out of the 50s on Saturday. So much cooler weather. This is probably the strongest cold front that we've seen so far this autumn season if we get the clouds to break and get some cold overnight lows by Saturday or Sunday night. 30% chance of some light rain showers Friday behind the front, but not so much Saturday. Hey, we've got a tropical storm that may become a hurricane. Sandy. Folks out here in Jamaica really watching it. Jamaica, eastern Cuba under a hurricane warning now. The storm, though, is forecast to move up through the Bahamas and then likely veer off to the east and away from the east coast, but could be a close call. There might even be a tropical storm watch going into effect tonight for parts of southern Florida or the Keys. Oh, yeah, there's a tropical depression out in the middle of the Atlantic, number 19. It's been an active season. That's probably going to become Tony out there, and then we're only going to have 2 names left this season. We may have to go to the Greek alphabet. Hurricane season goes on to the end of November. Tonight, the overnight low temperatures in the 60s. Tomorrow, high temperatures mid-80s, mid to upper 80s, maybe in some places. Tonight, late night low clouds. We'll start today, cloudy again tomorrow. Maybe a little sprinkle on your windshield, but nothing significant. Mix of clouds and sun in the afternoon. Let's go 86 tomorrow. And it'll still be real warm on Thursday. That front comes in early Friday, we do believe, with that 30% chance of some patchy light rain showers, some gusty north winds, and much cooler weather. It's going to be a cool weekend. We might begin warming back up on Sunday a little bit with the sun coming back out. Robert?